Imagine starting a business today. No office space, no product, inventory, no hefty loan to pay off. What if I told you that you could build a successful business without investing a single dollar? Sounds impossible, right? Well, I'm here to prove it's only possible but easier than you think. Stick around because in the next few minutes, you are going to discover 7 proven strategies to launch your business without spending a dime, and trust you will want to hear this. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. Step 1. Find your skill and strength. First thing first, let's talk about what you already have. Most people think they need a ton of money to start a business, but in reality, you have a valuable resource right at your fingertips: your skills. Think about it. Are you good at writing, graphic design, marketing, or even organizing things? These are all skills people will pay for. The key to identify what you're already good at, to figure out how to turn into a service-based business. You don't need to invent product or buy anything upfront. Just tap into how to do. If you're a great writer, start offering freelancing writing services. If you're a designer, offer graphic design services. There are platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even social media where you can showcase your skill. Step 2. Use free tools and resources. Next up, free tools. We are in an age where everything you need to run business is at your fingertips, often without spending a cent. Website builders like Wix or WordPress allow you to create a professional-looking website at zero cost. You can use Canva to design stunning graphics, and social media platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn let you market your business to millions of people for free. Don't get bogged down by idea that you need fancy software. As long as you're creative and resourceful, can you achieve a lot without paying a dime? The internet is your best friend here. Step 3. Leverage your network and social media. Now, let's talk about the power of your network. I'm not just talking about your friends and family. I mean online communities, groups, social platforms. Social media is free to advertising. So, stop scrolling through Instagram aimlessly. Use it to market your business. Join Facebook groups, LinkedIn communities, Reddit, threads, wherever your target audience hang out. Share value, engage in conversations, and builds relationship. Don't just pitch your business. Become a resource, answer questions, provide insights, and offer solutions to people's problems. It's how we build a trust, and trust is the foundation of my business, of any business. Step 4. Start with a service-based model. Now let's talk about starting with service instead of products. The best way to start a business without any money is by offering services. Why? Because you don't need to inventory, manufacturing, and a warehouse. All you need is your time and expertise. Think about industries that you are booked: digital marketing, social media management, content writing, virtual assistants. These are all high demand fields that you can step into today. Start small with 1 or 2 clients, and as you grow, you can expand a service or raise your rates. And here, some pro tips. When starting out, always over-deliver. A happy client will always come back. They'll bring more clients with them, word of mouth. Marketing is the most effective and free. Step 5. Use the power of barter. If you're low on cash, don't forget about bartering. Yes, you can trade services instead of paying up for them. Let's say you need a logo, but you don't have the funds. You can offer your services in exchange for what you need actually. Bartering is still a thing, and it's a great way to get a resource. You need to launch your business without spending money. You're surprised how many professional designer, developer, marketers are open to trading services, especially when they see you're offering something of value in return. So get creative with it. Reach out to people whose work you admire, offer a mutual beneficial exchange. Step 6. Freelance and gig economy platforms. Freelancing is another fantastic way to get started without money. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to find clients immediately. And you don't need any startup capital to get started. Start by building your profile, showcasing your skill, and building on project. Yes, there is competition, but don't worry. Here I'm with. But the key is to find a niche, something specific that makes you stand out. Once you build a reputation, you can start thousands of dollars, unlimited. So, you rates and talking on bigger clients. Step 7. Reinvest earning to scale. Once you have started generating income, reinvest those earning to scale your business. Use the profit to outsource tasks you are not good at, upgrade your tools, or even launch your own product. That's your goal. But here's the important part. Don't overspend too quickly. Be strategic about where you invest, start small and scale smartly. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, right? But what about this challenge? Yes, starting a business without investment won't be a cakewalk. It will take time, dedication, and hard work. But if you stick to their principles, I guarantee that you will get a starting result. Remember, you don't need a big budget to start a business. I'll say one thing, that business is not about money. It's just an idea. But you need to work. So, are you ready to get started? Drop a comment below and tell me which of these strategies you are gonna use first. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building a successful business from scratch. Starting business without investment is not a dream. It's a strategy, and you can do it. Thank you.